I decided to add an additional layer to the video about cooking. And that additional layer can make all the difference. While you're cooking, you can make a hair mask. I'm using this, which is cheap, smells nice, and does wonderful things for your hair. So why not using it? I'm cooking chicken liver today. I've made another video about frying chicken liver, and now I'll show you what you can do with one package or maybe two, so you can make two dishes. One of them is my favorite. So we are not going only fry chicken liver, but we are going to make a soup with chicken liver. I love it. What do we need to do? We need to melt butter combined with oil and add finely chopped onion and carrots. When the onion is kind of see-through, we are adding the washed and chopped chicken liver. Stir gently, and you can see when the chicken liver starts changing the color, we add hot water from the kettle. And leave it to boil. Meanwhile, we wash rice. I'm using a little bit rice because I don't want to have too much rice in the soup. It's up to you how much you're going to put. Keep in mind that rice doubles, maybe makes triple its size when boiled, so be careful how much you put. You can also add noodles at the end if you want. So I'm adding the rice, putting the lid on and leaving it to cook. It needs about maybe 20 minutes. Meanwhile, I put in the pan oil, onion, but not finely chopped. I like to make it like crescents. Pepper, sweet red pepper. You see it chopped the way you want. It doesn't matter. Add garlic as well. Definitely you need garlic. And stir. Leave it for about 2-3 minutes and then add the chicken liver. Stir. Leave it to cook. Meanwhile, chop parsley. I like using lots of parsley, and don't forget you need parsley for the fried chicken liver and for the soup, so you need more parsley. If you want, you can also chop, this is kind of chili, not very hot, but you can add, depends how spicy you want to have it, so you can put chili in both the soup and the fried chicken liver, it's up to you. So I'm mixing half of the mixture with the fried chicken liver. It looks so delicious and it smells so delicious. And when the soup is ready, I added the other part to the soup and leave it for about a minute. Turn the heat off and leave it for a minute. And then I'm going to the bathroom. And now I'm going to wash my hair, take a bath, and be ready for my lunch. Now I've washed my hair, I need to dry it and be ready for the lunch. Even if we are going to eat on our own, we can make it nice. We can have flowers, or flowers and a candle, or maybe only candle. Without candle, you decide. I prefer with a candle, so I'll stick to this. And as you can see, I have a little bit kimchi and a pepper. If you wonder what the fork is for, it's for the kimchi. And that's how the soup looks. It's so delicious and healthy. Chicken liver is a source of vitamin D. So especially in the winter, or if you need vitamin D, you can eat chicken liver. I hope you liked it and enjoyed the taste. You can leave comments, make it for your friends, and share what they think. Did you impress them? And I'll see you in another video with more recipes. Stay tuned, healthy and happy. Bye for now.